name is Marco Liborio, partner of UW Solutions. Today we will talk about local accommodation, also known as alojamento local. The traditional lease and local accommodation are different and have their own legislation. The main difference between the two is that, unlike the traditional lease, the local accommodation provides a service that demands much more than a simple accommodation. The local accommodation requires assets like furniture, home appliances, bed sheets, bed towels, kitchen equipment and other facilities, very similar to the hotel industry. Given its particularities, people usually have doubts, especially concerning the taxation of their profits. Let's see how your profits will be taxed. Income tax. The first step you have to take if you want to rent a house to tourists is to register on the tax administration your accommodation service activity. Every profit earned with the local accommodation activity will be taxed by the B category as business profit. If your profit from your local accommodation activity is less than 200,000 euros, you can choose between the simplified scheme and the organized account regime. The simplified regime, the profit to be taxed will be calculated considering 15%, which is applied to hotel services and other similar activities. This means you will only pay 15% of your total profit, since the other 85% will be regarded as costs of activity, thus not object of taxation. If you earn more than 200,000 euros a year with your local accommodation activity, then you will be included automatically on the organized accounts regime. In this case, your taxable profit will be determined by the terms and rules of the corporation income tax, according to the applicable adaptations. Corporate income tax. When the local accommodation activity is performed by a company, the taxation will be done according to the standard corporate income tax rules. A fixed rate of 21% will be applied to the profit earned. In case of small and medium enterprises, the first 15,000 will be taxed at a rate of 17%. VAT. Since the local accommodation activity is regarded as a service, it is subjected to VAT at the reduced rate of 6%. The VAT rate is applied to the price of the accommodation and breakfast. However, if you choose the simplified regime, and if your annual income is less than 10,000 euros, you can claim to be exempt from VAT. If you are not exempt from VAT, you will have to pay this tax through a periodic return of VAT, which can be monthly or quarterly. Today, we help you understanding how income for accommodation activity is taxed. Click in this link and check the local accommodation guide that we have created specially for you. See you next time!